how to install a Thule on roof rails. Tag along because I'm going to show you how to do it in 10 minutes. What's going on, guys? I just picked up this Thule X3 extra large and I'm going to be installing it on my Audi X5. So super simple. It took me 10 minutes to do, so check it out. I have here the Thule XT and I have mounted it on top of the roof rails that came with the Audi Q5. So once you put it on top, you can see that there is a railing inside that you can actually move back and forth depending on where your roof railing is. Makes it super convenient and easy, just adjusting it to see where you have to push it. The Thule comes with these 4 hooks that you need to just slide in. It is super easy to just put it on. There's 2 hooks on the side that you just put in and you can hear a noise. And on the bottom, you can actually see that it will try to clamp them in. Next thing you need to do is just keep on turning it tighter and tighter. It gets really tight, but you have to wait for it to make a clicking noise. And as soon as it makes a clicking noise, that's when you stop and move on to the next one. Do the same thing on all 4, and then just like that, your Thule is installed. It literally took me 10 minutes to do this. It was super easy. And then taking it out is easy too. You just turn it back and then you're able to unlock it. But make sure you hear the clicking noise. So are you guys planning on getting a Thule? Very helpful. Let me know, leave a comment below. Very easy to install. So some of the reasons why I got the XT, one, the weight capacity is much more than the regular one. The other thing is the lock-in mechanism is much better than the other one. If you go to the store, you can actually see the other one feels very cheap. This actually has a lock-in mechanism, and then there's a latch to lock and unlock. And plus it looks super sleek and it matches the car too. So I think those are 3 reasons why we chose the XT or the other one. Day 1 of using the Thule through the North Carolina area where it's all forest. Check this out. So how do you guys clean up your Thules? This is a big mess. We'll have to clean it up. Okay guys, that's a wrap. Let me know if you have any questions about the Thule. Make sure to hit a like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos about this.